This video is going to be geared towards identifying companies that have achieved the highest revenue growth. So you can see on the left side, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40. That basically represents 1,000, 2,000, 3,000% growth of the revenue. Now this is from 2006 to 2021. And as of now, of these 13, Netflix was the highest. Then you can see Melly in red, and then Exact Science. And it's sorted according to the ones that had the highest revenue growth. And you can see Lulu, Align, CSGP, FTNT, and it just goes down from there. So I'm pretty confident that overall, these companies have a very good chance of continuing their high revenue growth, and I think they're companies worth investing in. That's just my opinion. But it's companies I've invested in as well, and I've done it in a portfolio that consists of 29 companies. I usually link it in the description. Now you can see these three weren't included in that visual, and it's mostly because they've achieved far more revenue growth. And I think that's mostly attributed to the fact that the revenue in 2006 for these three companies was really low. But I do have a lot of confidence in these three companies as well, especially Dexcom. I really like that company. But Dexcom, Seattle Genetics, and Pod all achieved very good revenue growth. Now, after taking a look at the revenue growth of those companies, I was able to put together a pie chart that I think helps represent not only good diversification, but gearing a portfolio towards high revenue growth. And you can see Dexcom, Seattle Genetics, and Pod all have 11%. And then Netflix, Melly, Exact Science, Lulu have 7%. And then Align at 3% just because of the volatility. FTNT, CSGP, 7% as well. And then 3% for MKTX, CMG, which is Chipotle, LRCX, NVIDIA, and Adobe. So I think this is a great portfolio. And if you're wanting to invest in these companies, but not quite as aggressively as I've done in this portfolio, I do have a link of 29 companies that I think are a pretty good option. But I do have that in the link below if you want to take a look at that, or you can make your own that looks like this. But I think this is a great portfolio. Thank you.